a triangle with side length in the ratio of 3, 4, 5. They said it was ratio, not the side length. So could have been, 30, 40, 50. We do not know. So the ratio is 3, 4, 5. It's inscribed in a circle with radius 3. See, this is a circle. It's inscribed. And 3, 4, 5 is screaming out to you, I am a right triangle. So this is a right triangle. Why? Because 3 squared plus 4 squared is 5 squared. Whenever this works, it's a right triangle. If it's a right triangle, one side has to be the diameter of the triangle, of the circle. Okay, and so now, as I said, these are not the length, these are ratios. So we should say 3x, 4x, and 5x. That would be more accurate way. And the circle has a radius of 3. Oh, radius is 3. So what is the diagonal here? It's 6. So 5x is 6. So x is 6 over 5. Okay, very good. What do they want to know? The area of the triangle. Oh, the area of the triangle is base times height divided by 2. I hope you are not looking for this height. Here's the base for you. Here's the height for you. Okay, so what's the area? Area is base times the height divided by 2. So it's 12 divided by 2 would be 6, right? X squared. But we know what x is, so let's plug in. So that's 6 over 5 squared. What would that be? Let me put it here. That would be 6 times 36 over 25. Okay. What's the area of the triangle? Well, what could that be? Hey, they are giving me in decimals. I guess this was in the year that the calculator was allowed, so that's why. But anyway, 1 over 25 can be thought as, let me tell you what kind of mental gymnastics we can use here. We got 6 to the third here, basically. And we got 1 over 25. 1 over 25 is same as 104. If you reduce this, you would get 1 over 25. So 6 to the third power is it is 36 times 6. So it's 216. 6 to the third you should know times 4 divided by 100. Of course, you do not cancel this, because if you did, you would get back this one, right? So if I multiply this, I get 8, 4, 6, 4 over 100. So 8.64 is the answer. So here, notice there's no pi business here, although it is inside the circle, because this is a triangle, base times height. And as simple as that. So once you see this, I think it will be simple. But the key was that by saying so, this was telling you that the 5 was the diagonal of the circle, because it's a right triangle. And they told you this radius, so that automatically matches with the diagonal, which is 6. But then again, they said it was a ratio, not the length. So this was a 5x. So therefore, you can find the multiplying factor that would make 5x be 6. That x was known, and I used it to find the area. But then again, area, don't go for the base times height this way. You don't know the height. You got to use the base times height. Then again, that was possible because it was a right triangle. And how did you know? Because you knew 3, 4, 5 ratio.